Hi guys, it's Leah. Welcome to my channel. Hope everybody's feeling very well. So I've been onto my old trusted Amazon to buy a couple of things. I've got some jewellery that's looking a little bit worse for wear, kind of tarnished and nasty looking. So I thought I'd try these and see if I can bring it back to life. Both of these as a set cost me $11.99. I have tried this out. I haven't tried this out. So I thought I'd come on here and just show you how happy I am with this. So we have some earrings here and I'm hoping you can see the actually difference. That's manky and that's the clean one. I'm sure you can tell the difference. And in real life, this earring here looks a lot worse. So I got that cleaned up just with the cloth and I'm really happy with the results from that. Same again with these earrings. We have the manky one here at the top and we have the good one that I've cleaned with a cloth there. So that is manky, right? Compared to that one. Gorgeous. And these earrings, the same thing. This is quite hard to tell, but you can tell, like in person. This is the one that's clean. Got a nice sort of sparkle to it. This one is a little bit dull and not so shiny. I also use the cloth for this, which has made a heck of a difference, but because this has got quite a lot of detailing on it, it's got like a bow, I thought I would try and dip this in the solution and see if I can get it a little bit more shinier. Same goes with this one as well. Okay, so before we get into the video and testing these products, I just wondered if you wouldn't very much mind subscribing to my channel. I'm trying to reach my 2,000 goal. I'm sorry if I keep repeating myself like a mad parrot, but some people skip this kind of, so you catch it at the end, and I'm just hoping that you guys listen to me long enough to ask you to subscribe. And also, I have a JEFFREE Star Bloodlust mirror up for grabs. That's the giveaway, and I'll leave a picture here. This is what it looks like, and I'll leave the link down below that you can click on. I'll also leave the link down below for these products in case anybody is interested in purchasing them. Right, okay, so let's give these a go. So I know the cloth works. Let me just show you what it looks like. So it's literally just a cleaning cloth. You can use this on, gently rub your jewellery with the ultra soft, lighter colour inner cloth. Dirt and tarnish are easily removed and our exclusive anti-tarnish shield is applied. Next, use the outer ultra soft darker colour to buff and polish your jewellery to a higher lustre. Also excellent for watches. Now I have done some watch straps and I will agree, they did make them quite shiny. And I mean, this is basically, look, it's filthy. Now I don't know whether, it doesn't say on the instructions whether you can actually wash these, maybe by hand or something. But absolutely, like, that's only a few pieces of jewellery, so that's manky already. So it does kind of work, you can see from the crap on there. Okay, so I haven't tried this, the solution. So the bits that I haven't done, I'm going to give them a go. So inside its solution, you've got a little basket here. You pop your items in there, dop it down. Dop it? I meant drop it. Leave it in 30 seconds, pull it out, and then hopefully they're going to come out a lot cleaner than they went in. Okay, so I'm going to start with this earring. Okay, so just to recap, this is the good one that I did with the cloth, but I'm going to use this one on the actual cleaner. I want to know whether you do need to necessarily buy both, because you can actually buy these products separately. So I put it in the little tray there. I'm going to pop it in. Give it a few seconds to work, hopefully. I feel like at this point the cloth was a lot quicker. Show you what those 30 seconds have done. Not a lot. Really not a lot. Put the ring in because this is absolutely disgusting. I don't know if you can appreciate how manky. So I'm going to put that in. I'm going to leave it in for way longer than 30 seconds. And while that is supposed to be cleaning, I'm going to get my cloth. I'm going to give this one a clean with the cloth. I can notice a massive difference straight away. Guys, I hope you can agree. So I can actually wear these, which I'm so happy about because my dad gifted these to me for a birthday many years ago, and I haven't worn them because of the state of them. And they've just been sat in my jewellery box, and with the lockdown, I don't know about you guys, but I've been going through makeup and clothes, shoes, anything I can get my hands on, just having a bit of a tidy up. And I thought, okay, it's jewellery time. So I'm so happy that I can now start wearing them again because they are pretty. Apparently you can use this on like costume jewellery. I haven't tried it myself. It's brand new again. Little earring that is silver. I'll just put my hand behind it. Perfect. Really happy with those. You get a little brush application here. Oh, this comes out. That's good. Okay, it's coming up a little bit better now. I've started to actually use the little brush on it. So I'm just cleaning the ring with this tiny little brush that you get in with it. And I'm just trying to get into all the grooves and the stones. This ring is when Princess Diana got engaged. And I wanted a ring like hers. Obviously couldn't afford the diamonds and the sapphires and all the rest of it that she had, but it's pretty close, don't you think, guys? Okay, I feel like that is actually coming up now from what it was. So I'm going to dip it back in for a little bit longer. And I'm also going to dip this ring in as well. I mean, this is not too bad, and the cloth did bring it up lovely, but because there's so many grooves and there's a bow on it, it's quite hard for the cloth to get into those places. So I'm going to dip that in as well. My hands were filthy yesterday when I was doing this, absolutely filthy. Okay, so I'm not going to get better than that. And then you use the purple one. It's supposed to just give it a bit of a polish and a bit of a shine, but to be fair, I can't really notice the difference from using the white one. The white one just gets the stuff off. It's gorgeous. And let's use this one to clean it and shine it up. Better. Okay, so that's them done. I've also got this little ring. This is like the same principle as the other one. This has got like a bow on it. It's got a pearl on it. And again, it did clean up really nice with just the cloth, but because of the bow, it's quite high up. I can't get things inside to clean it. So again, I'm going to dip this in, a bit of a scrub with this little brush, and then I'll pop it back in again. I mean, it's a little bit better, but not as nice as I'd like it to be. So I'm going to dip that one back in. I'll tell you what, I'm going to ditch this and I'm going to go and try and find a toothbrush. Okay guys, so I found a little toothbrush. This is just a spare one I have. I'm going to try it with this, dip it in the solution. This brush is much better for getting into all the nooks and crannies for sure. Okay, well I have to say that does look a hell of a lot better. I think using like a decent brush, it allows you to get into all them crevices, all those hard to reach places. But I'm going to dip it back in and now use the brush on this one. See how we go on with this one. I can see already this is making a hell of a difference. Much, much, much better. Okay, so I'm going to dip that back in for a few more minutes. And now I'm going to have a go at doing this one. So this is looking really shabby, dirty. So, dip my brush in. Okay, so I'll dip that in, but that is looking a lot better, guys. Don't know if you can see a difference, but I certainly can. Let's pop that in. Okay, so a bit of a different video, right? I'm really actually enjoying this. And if you're stuck for something to do on lockdown, go onto Amazon, order yourself this little kit. Okay, so I ended up having to soak the ring in the solution for a good 10 minutes. I don't feel like it's perfect, but I do feel like it's a hell of a lot better than what it was, and I'm sure you can see the difference. The place I'm struggling is in these bits here. These are quite high up, they're like shoulders, and the inside where the stone is in here. So I'm going to actually dip it back in and leave it for a little bit longer, maybe give it a good half hour. Better than what it was, so it'd be nice to start wearing this again actually. And as for these two, much improved. I know you're probably struggling to see the difference. I can definitely see the difference. These only had to go in for a few minutes really. And this one as well has come up nice. Now there are some areas that probably do need a little bit longer, so I probably will stick this one back in. It's just really here at the bow area inside the bow that's a little bit manky still, so I need to give that another go. So I think this is really good. Now if your jewellery is not in a state like mine was, I think you'll be fine actually with just this. But if you need a little bit of help, you're probably going to need something like this, or in fact both of them. So a bit of a different video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to please subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. Help me reach my goal, please. And if you haven't already, please don't forget to enter the JEFFREE Star Bloodlust Mirror. I have a picture here so you can see what you're actually entering for, and I'll also leave the link down below, and I'll also leave the link for these two products in case you want to try them out for yourself. Okay, so that's it. I'll speak to you in the next video. Please take care of yourselves and each other. Bye for now. Take care. Bye.